Manufacturing companies across the state are experiencing drastic worker shortages recently. MTN's Emma Hamilton has our story.
This year, the percent of manufacturers across the state that reported shortage of workers doubled since last year.
And with plenty of work happening here in the manufacturing industry, they need more and more workers continually.
So manufacturing, of course, is facing pretty intense workforce shortages, partially due to baby boomers retiring. So we're seeing a lot of people exiting the workforce, especially in manufacturing, and we don't have skilled labor to back them up to fill those gaps. So
Dixon Foley would know. She's in the industry herself and sees the challenges of having these shortages. Wes says the shortage may relate to false perceptions of the industry.
Manufacturing in the 30s and 40s it was dirty, it was hot, it was sweaty, it was really hard work, it could be dangerous, and I think people kind of have a tendency to think about those times, and people wanted to get away from that. It's definitely not that way for, I would say, the vast majority of manufacturers here in Montana. It's really interesting work.
And as Dixon Foley helps to operate the dog toy manufacturing company, West Paw, here in Bozeman, she agrees it's interesting work that sometimes isn't always known about.
we have to pull in workforce that may not know about us and may not really understand what manufacturing is about. So our challenges are to educate the public and our community about what our work really looks like.
West Paw and other manufacturing companies are a part of the Greater Gallatin Valley Manufacturing Partnership. They go into high schools and other institutions to educate younger generations and excite them about the industry. In Bozeman, Emma Hamilton, MTN News.
Industry officials say they hope Montana's high school and college graduates will consider manufacturing as a career. Meanwhile,